Okay guys, today I'm working on this Goodman heat pump. Blower motor doesn't give me enough power, doesn't give enough speed, RPMs. So it is 1/3 horsepower, 1.75 amps. So disconnect box, how about that? They put a duct here. Disconnect box is in the back. I mean, you have to, I don't know how. It's right there. It's how accessible is that, but it's right there. So I made sure the power is off. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull the whole cage out, the whole blower motor. There's a couple of screws here, 2 screws here. That whole thing's gonna come out. I got 4 wires going here. Oops. Let me see. This way. I got black, blue, red, and purple. That's gonna be nice speed. And I have this going to the capacitors. Okay, capacitor, yes. So let me see. So my black, red, and blue, and this is my purple. I think I already found the issue. That red one was very loose. It was not in place. That probably was causing it lower amps. So, but I'll find out in a little bit. Getting those screws out. Try not to lose them. So wires disconnected, whole thing is disconnected, so that thing should come out easy. Just like that. Okay, this is what I got. So I'll go to my truck, get this out, and replace the capacitor as well, and we should be good. So since I'm here, I will inspect the coil, heat strips. It looks good. Here, top board looks good to me. Okay. Just remove the capacitor. This is 10.5, so I'm putting 10.5 as well. Okay, new capacitor is in, so now get those 3 out. I tried with a screwdriver and it works, which is good. I'm just gonna lose them. Before that, I will try to see if I can do the cage out. Okay, this is what I get. I need to get this guy out first. So let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, I just got this loose. Okay, motor came right out, so let's get the new one in. Okay, this is the replacement. It's OEM, so I should not have any issues, right? So I'll place it this way so I can slide the motor in the shaft. Okay, motor is in. I just will attach the bolts here just to hold it in place. We'll not tie them, and after that we'll secure the shaft. So it is really important to pay attention of how the old one was. Usually this side is up, your wires needs to be close by, because if you twist that motor this way, your wire might not be long enough, so you gotta be careful here. Okay, motor is in, so you gotta figure out, so right now it's grinding, so you gotta go up a little bit and make sure so it needs to move freely. So let's see, I'm probably gonna do something like that. Okay, I just add the set screw and it's moving. It's supposed to be, doesn't grind or anything like that. So I'll go ahead and tie that screw. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, looks good. Okay, I got all screws here in place. And of course, the way I did the capacitor was wrong because that was the old motor, so I'll do it again. So one lead goes here. Come on, buddy. Okay, and the two purples are going right there. Okay, blower is back in. Now I need to get the wires to the right place. Okay, I got the purple in right here at the at my lead, like 120 volts. Red is in place, black on top, blue here. So that thing is ready to roll. So let's go check it out. Okay, unit came back on. I had a delay and it's working now, so in a little bit I will check to see what temperature I'm getting at the registers. Okay, let me check temperature. So I'm getting like 60, 75 in the room. Yeah, 59. It's getting better. So check again. Alrighty. So 59. Last time I was here was like 67, 70 degrees coming out. Yeah, thank you for watching for another repair. See you next time.